Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fadali and this video is about the HTML headings. It is a quite easy topic, but we're gonna look at it. Okay, the headings are used to define the main idea of any topic. Let me just show you the definition of the HTML headings. HTML headings are the titles or the subtitles that you want to display on the web page. One more thing about the headings are really important, that search engines use the headings to index the structure and content of your web pages. For the SEO point of view, headings are really important. So let's just see the headings practically in a HTML file. Okay, I just want to create another file right now. So go to the new file. Okay, just to save the time, I just want to copy this content and I would paste it here, and I just want to delete this thing from here. The text we use for the heading element from the H1 to the H6. There is the only difference of the size of the font between them, nothing more.
3, 4, 5.
Now let me just save the file here. Now let me just run the file. Now you can see here the headings with the different font size. Okay, so as the number goes down from 1 to 6, the size of the text also goes down. There is a default size for each heading. If you just want to give customize or specific size to your heading, so you can give it by adding style attribute of the heading. It works on every heading element from H1 to the H6. I just want to give a size to it, so I will write the font size 60 px, then semicolon. Let me just save this code here, refresh the thing. Now you can see the difference. This is how you can give customized or specified size to your heading. This is all for this video. If you really find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.